Starting a cyber program begins with adopting the mindset that cybersecurity is not simply a technical issue, but a business imperative for success. There are a number of ways to get started, and like everything, communication is key. Leaders can begin by setting regularly scheduled meetings with their IT, cyber team, or managed service provider. For small businesses, this may all be the same person wearing many hats. You might start by listing out all of your hardware assets, reviewing how your passwords are managed, writing down and standardizing your basic policies and procedures. It is also important to designate a person who is responsible for this project moving forward. Early momentum can often fail when no one is taking the reins. Unlike other business imperatives, cyber is often a silent threat, but one that can be lethal to business. I'm Cassia Baker, Cybersecurity Project Manager at the Georgia Manufacturing Extension Partnership. Our team can help you to build a cyber roadmap forward to meet your compliance or business-related cyber goals. Contact us for more information about our cybersecurity services for manufacturers.